Have you ever wondered if there's a secret formula to boost your testosterone levels without relying on medical treatments? Well, wonder no more. Today, we are diving into the natural powerhouses that can rev up your testosterone engine. Zinc, vitamin D, magnesium, quality sleep, and intense exercise. From the foods you eat to the hours you sleep and the way you work out, it's all connected. Curious to learn how you can harness these natural methods to feel stronger, more energetic, and improve your overall health? Then keep watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest health tips and tricks. All right, number 1, zinc, vitamin D, and magnesium. The doc always said prevention is key, which applies to your hormone levels. Here's the thing about these 3 minerals, zinc, vitamin D, and magnesium. They all play a part in keeping your testosterone production running smoothly. Let's talk about zinc first. Studies have shown that a zinc deficiency can whack your testosterone levels down by as much as 60%. Yikes. So, how do you get enough zinc? Think oysters. Those little briny aphrodisiacs might have some truth to their reputation. Other champions of zinc include red meat, poultry, and even pumpkin seeds. Snacking on a handful throughout the day is a sneaky way to get your daily dose. Next up, vitamin D. This sunshine vitamin isn't just good for your bones, it helps regulate testosterone production. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are loaded with vitamin D. Not a big fish fan? No worries. Milk and eggs are fortified with it too. But here's the kicker. Sometimes just relying on food isn't enough. Many people, especially those who live further north or don't get enough sun exposure, have a vitamin D deficiency. Talking to your doctor about checking your levels and possibly taking a supplement might be a good call. And finally, there's magnesium. This mineral acts like a superhero, helping your body use other nutrients, including that all-important zinc we discussed earlier. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are a great source of magnesium, as well as nuts, seeds, and even dark chocolate. Number 2, 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day. Sleep might not be the most exciting way to boost your testosterone, but trust me, it is a sleeper hit when it comes to keeping your T levels in check. Think of it like this. When you're catching those Z's, your body's basically in recharge mode, and that goes for testosterone production too. Here's the science bit. During sleep, your body ramps up human growth hormone, also known as HGH production, which works hand in hand with testosterone. HGH helps build muscle and burn fat. And guess what? Testosterone does the same thing. So, more sleep equals more HGH, which equals a potential boost for your testosterone levels. When you're sleep deprived, nasty stuff happens. Your immune system takes a hit, making you more susceptible to getting sick. And let's face it, being under the weather is no friend to your workout routine or testosterone levels. On top of that, skimping on sleep can slow down your recovery time after exercise. Your muscles need time to repair and rebuild after a tough workout. Without enough sleep, they're stuck in a sluggish state. This can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and an increased risk of injuries. Not exactly a recipe for peak testosterone production. So, how much sleep are we talking about? Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality shut-eye each night. That means creating a relaxing bedtime routine, keeping your electronics out of the bedroom, and ensuring that your sleep environment is cool, dark, and quiet. And number 3, intense exercise. All right, let's talk about the big guns. Exercise and testosterone. You might be picturing yourself glued to the gym for hours every day, but fear not. Smart exercise, not just endless hours of it, is a fantastic way to give your testosterone levels a natural boost. Studies have shown that intense exercise can trigger a temporary increase in testosterone production. One study even found that high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT, think short bursts of intense activity followed by brief rest periods, led to a more significant rise in testosterone levels than steady-state cardio, like jogging for long periods. But the magic doesn't stop there. Exercise also helps in the fight against testosterone's arch nemesis, stress. Chronic stress wreaks havoc on your hormones, including testosterone. When you're constantly stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, a hormone that puts the brakes on testosterone production. So by incorporating intense exercise into your routine 2 to 4 times a week, you're not just building muscle and burning fat, you're also helping to manage your stress levels, which can indirectly lead to a more testosterone-friendly environment in your body. Now, remember, intense is relative. It doesn't mean you have to become a gym rat overnight. Focus on activities that that push you, get your heart rate up, and leave you pleasantly exhausted. Weight training, especially exercises that work large muscle groups like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, are great options. HIIT workouts are another fantastic choice as they combine intense bursts of activity with short rest periods, keeping your body challenged in a time-efficient way. Thank you for watching. If you found our tips on increasing testosterone naturally helpful, please give us a like and share your thoughts in the comments down below. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health insights and tips. Stay strong, stay informed, and let's keep the conversation going.